Are you finding difficulties to do your work from home? Did you perhaps get disappointed figuring out that working from home is not that easy as you thought before? Today, we will see some tips that can help you increase your working from home productivity. Hi everybody, my name is Azuddin. Welcome to Unlock Your Financial Freedom channel. Today we are going to talk about how to work from home successfully and what we can do to increase our productivity, especially if we were being forced to stay at home by the coronavirus. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and please activate the notification button. So let's jump into it. The first step for a productive day in working from home is to get a good night's sleep. Give to your brain the rest that you need will let you have perfect sensation to start your day. What I suggest you to do is sleep as early as possible with 7 hours of sleeping. Then you can follow your morning coffee by 20 to 30 minutes of stretching exercises or yoga exercises, which will increase blood circulation in your body and bring more oxygen to your brain. After that, avoid all kinds of distractions by making your office zone far from your bed, so you will not have sleeping feeling. Or use your dining table, and better isolate your desk in a separate room. Also, it's so important to teach your family members or kids that I'm working in my office zone mean I'm at work, and it's helpful to put something in the door like I'm working sign or please do not distribute sign. By making these small things, you will set up a boundary to avoid all distractions coming in and out, which will not let you get anything done. And don't forget to set up your work hours with your boss. Then take normal breaks, like what you usually do if you are at work. It can be a lunch break, coffee break, or just walk outside of your office zone for 10 to 15 minutes. Or do you need more than 3 breaks? Comment below and let me know if you are in the category that take more than 3 breaks. Take a quick break, refresh your brain, and keeps you motivated during all day. After you finish your work, you must shut down your computer and separate yourself from your home workspace, so you can enjoy your social life with your family. But please do not check news of how many deaths by coronavirus in your place. Avoid the bad news as much as possible. Working from home can be always possible and easy, but just if you build a structure of your new daily routine. In the first couple days, you will find difficulties to adapt yourself with it, but with a little trial and error, you can create the right amount of structure that allows you to get into a rhythm at home. Avoiding distractions, focusing on tasks, and truly excelling in your work. And better use some tools to prioritize your task and make good planning of your day, such as Parkinson's law and 80-20 rule, which they are helpful concepts for life and time management. But remember that it's your responsibility to be as productive as possible. At the end of the day, the best thing about working from home is that it gives you more freedom, because you will be able to do more things in your own way. Thank you so much for watching. Hope that video helps you get motivated to better increase your performance of working from home. Don't forget to comment below if you have more advices to other people. Wish you all a productive week.